Hey everyone, and welcome back to the new era of video editing. In part 1, we explored the incredible creative and AI tools in Filmora 15. Now, in this video, we're going to cover all the remaining major changes and new features that complete this transformative update. This is part 2, where we're focusing on the professional-grade workflow features that will help you edit complex projects with stunning speed and precision. Let's pick up right where we left off. This feature is Import Subprojects. Import Subprojects is your new best friend. You can now import entire Filmora project files as single, compound clips into your main timeline. So, just click here and import your another project file directly into it. Here you can see that it is in the new tab timeline. This is a game changer for collaboration, managing multi-part series, or reusing intros and outros. It supports multi-project management and cross-project material reuse without ever leaving your current edit. Now we are moving to next feature. This feature is dual timeline editing. Here you can simply drag and drop like this. You will be entered in dual timeline editing mode. You can now edit it in a separate timeline tab while seeing your main project. You can flexibly switch between your primary and secondary timelines without losing your place. This dramatically improves your editing efficiency on complex projects, keeping everything organized and accessible. Now, we are moving to next feature. Next feature is Dynamics Caption. Dynamics Captions completely revolutionize your text.
What do you think about every morning?
I think about strength, jackal, and peace. It takes both to lead the...
Firstly, I will convert this voice into Dynamics Caption. So watch it. Filmora 15 optimized the entire subtitle experience with batch text processing and a library of new, exclusive animation effects. Make your captions bounce, slide, or typewriter in with just a click, keeping your audience engaged from the first word to the last.
Think about every morning. What do you think about every morning?
I think about strength, jackal, and peace. It takes both to lead the jungle.
Peace and strength?
Now we are moving to next feature. Next feature is Smart Cutout. Simply import your clip on your timeline and click here on AI matting and then click on Smart Cutout. One of the most powerful upgrades in Filmora 15, Smart Cutout. This is completely upgraded the smudging interaction to accurately identify your intentions. If you want to remove a background or isolate an object, just paint roughly over the area. The AI handles complex edges like hair and fur with stunning clarity. It drastically reducing the need for repeated debugging. It's faster and more accurate than ever. Now, click on Apply. Here you can see that it removed. Now we are heading to next feature. Next feature is AI Object Remover. Simply import your clip on the timeline and then right-click on it. Then click on AI Object Remover. Now select Smart Brush and draw roughly like this, and it automatically detects whole body. Then click on Remove. It will take some time. Here you can see that how it's perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss it. Links to download Filmora 15 are in the description below. See you in the next video.